Also hope this helps someone. So last year I went back to my hometown and I met all of my cousins. One day we were all sitting discussing something when our chachi interrupted us, saying, you're destroying your cousin's marriage. Now we were telling her to speak up, to tell her mother-in-law कि पूरे दिन के काम के बाद नहीं बनता खाना, or the fact that she should take up that promotion even if that means moving to Bangalore. But I had to ask, how would doing all of this ruin a marriage? Then all she had to say was, देखो थोड़ा तो एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है ना, ऐसे तो कोई हद ही नहीं रहेगी मर्जी की. And since then I've been thinking about that line a lot. What is the limit? Where exactly do we draw the line? Because when a woman has to fight for most basic of her rights, ये line होती ही कहाँ है? And this whole conversation came up again when I was watching Chiraiya. The show highlights and talks about a very important issue, marital rape. A husband keeps forcing himself on his wife,
ये सब तो
and no one around
करना
even
पड़ता है.
sees it as a problem. You know why? क्योंकि एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है. So here's my answer. The line is crossed the moment you're asked to do something against your will. And it doesn't always have to be big things. Sometimes it could be as small as where you live, what kind of job you take, how do you choose to spend your time, and sometimes it can be much bigger. As big as giving up your rights over your own body. लेकिन शादी होने के बाद तो होता है ये सब कुछ. It's not an excuse. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's that simple. And the scariest part is we call this compromise. And what we call compromise redraws the line again and again until there's no line left at all. Because compromise is both-sided. This was just you sacrificing. Honestly, if you ask me, there should have never been a line to begin with. ये बात हम कर ही क्यों रहे हैं? Because if a relationship requires you to shrink yourself, to stay quiet, to give up things that you want just to keep itself going, it was already broken.